Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your Netflix app. To know how to fix or how to solve your Netflix, you should just go to the app of settings. Here in this page we click apps, default apps, app settings. When you'll find this list, you will enter to the window of Netflix. Here in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here we click clear cache. Then you can turn off your Wi-Fi. And you can wait a moment to turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.